Here is the update on the video I did back in January on this 1993 Ford Mustang Cobra SVT. This Cobra Mustang has been for sale at Streetside Classics in Charlotte, North Carolina since January, and it was originally listed for $174,995. In that video, I really thought that it was going to sell for that price. I was wrong. As you can see, they have dropped the price to $139,995. So they have cut the price of this Mustang by $35,000. Now, this Mustang is virtually brand new, with only about 35 original miles on the vehicle, and it is a beautiful Mustang. Now, some recent sale prices of the SVT Cobra. So one sold on Bring a Trailer back in June 13th, so less than a month ago, for $72,500. And that Mustang had 9,000 miles on it. Another one sold on June 10th, and this one had 42,000 miles. A red SVT Cobra, and that sold for $56,000. Another one, this one a black one, sold on Hagerty back on May 15th. This one had about 58,000 miles, and this one sold for $43,801. And then another one, a black one as well, sold on Mecum on May 14th of 2026. Only had 8,000 miles, and it sold for $71,500. So they are still selling for a good amount of money, but not quite the asking price of this particular SVT Cobra that is at Streetside Classics currently. But like I said, it only has around 30 original miles, so virtually brand new. The comments were almost in unanimous agreement about how crazy the price was. Here we have Earnhardt3613 said 100,000 should be the number I can get for a 2020 Heritage. And then we have our next one, that Al Reynolds 7152 says the price just get dumber by the day. And then we had another comment from Insane Crazy Yankee, what moron would pay for that? And then our last comment here, Clouds of Happiness for us, said, what? Whoa, incredible crazy price. And almost all the comments were in agreement. Now, I do think that this 93 Cobra will sell for over 100,000. I mean, it's virtually brand new. I do wonder, though, if it was at auction, what price it would sell for. And it is interesting that this car was in Streetside showroom, and now it's in the back corner of the warehouse there. So let me know in the comments what you think the final sale price of this 93 Cobra Mustang will be. And yeah, very cool car.